Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Why do I look like a sushi? I'm gonna let you know. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. You never know what you're going to find in a bulk box. I got it for Star Wars costumes, and now I look like a sushi roll. So I found this in the box. I think it's amazing. So I thought that I would share this video with you dressed as a sushi roll. So what I wanted to show you, I already did all the unboxing. If you haven't seen me actually unbox everything that's on this table, because I'm not going to go through every single piece, but I'll pick ones. Go check out my unboxing. It should be at the end of this video. Also, if you want to support me and see more sushi rollness, Patreon, the link is down in the description. You can support me and you get exclusive content that will be as awesome as this costume. All right, so this box actually it was bulk.com case of unexpected returns, assorted apparel, Star Wars, Halloween, sushi roll. I paid $30 for it. Shipping was $30. Tax was $8.28. My total was $68.28. 17 items were in the box for a total of $401 per item on average. And so I wanted to actually walk through this and show you kind of when I scan through things, what do I see? And so I've got my app open and I'm going to scan my sushi roll costume and see if it's even on Amazon. All right, so whenever this pops up, it's scanned to the UPC. It's not on there, but there is an option for me to look it up under hide and eek sushi roll adult costume, and I may be able to find it that way. But for now, I'm just going to stick with the barcodes. So let's go ahead and look up. This is a Wakanda Dora. I'm not going to pronounce the name. But anyway, it's from the Black Panther movie. So I'm going to scan this one and kind of see where I'm at with this. All right, so this one has a sales rank of 831. And as you can see, I am able to sell it. And so if I click through, and then if they're different sizes, you have to scan each individually. So if I was seller fulfilling, I'd make $19.71. Amazon fulfilling, which makes it Prime customer available, is $13.48. So I would make $13.48. I got a few of those. So let's go ahead and scan the adult one and see where we're at on the adult one. So I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what I think I can make. Star Wars Han Solo adults. This is a medium and there's different ones and they're all under different categories. Now this one does not have a sales rank. And so I'm going to show you that right here. If you kind of zoom in, the sales rank would be right here where it says clothing, which just means it's never sold, but that's probably because they just got on here. So there may be eventually a sales rank. I've sold lots of things that don't have sales rank. So when I click through here, it shows my seller fulfilled ones, $21.54. This alert popped up basically saying there's never been any at the warehouse, so they can't tell us. So if I go to Amazon fulfill, it doesn't give me a number, but you can kind of guesstimate. And I'd say I'd probably make about $16 on this one under my Amazon fulfilled section. All right, let's go to the kids ones and I'll tell you how much I'm going to make on the kids ones. All right, the kids ones. 500,000 sales rank, and different sizes might have better. I think just before this video, I scanned another one. There was 200,000 sales rank. So this one is going to be Amazon fulfilled. $8.71 is what I can make off of this one. And I have a bunch of the kids ones. So that's definitely likely. And then we got one more style here that we're going to scan. It's the Star Wars toddler wear the Millennium Falcon around your waist, and that one has no sales rank, but I can make about $12 on this one. $12 on this one. And so that gives you an idea of kind of what you're looking at when you use the sales, the app. But when I added them all up before I jumped on this video, I kind of wanted to show you how to scan. I came out to $195.50 is what my projected prices are, and that's usually relatively conservative. I take away the $68.28, $127.22 is what I think I can totally pocket, and that's after I pay back the $68.28. So you never know what you're going to get in a bulk box. You can be dressed up as a sushi roll. If you want to see more fun, kind of behind the scenes things, check out my Patreon page. I offer exclusive things to my Patreon members. Doesn't cost much at all, but if you enjoy this content, please head on over there and do that. The link is in the description below. If you haven't seen my unboxing of this one where I actually took everything out of the box, check that out as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.